How to install WP auto tagging in your WordPress website. In two ways you can be installed. I will show it step by step in two parts. Part 1, by typing the plugin name in the search bar. Part 2, by upload plugin. So part 1, by typing the plugin name in the search bar. To do this, log into your website dashboard or backend. It is our website backend. In right side you can see search bar. Type the plugin name. I am typing the plugin name WP auto tagging. After few seconds, lot of result now showing. Just click in is lot of result showing. Be careful about buy. Then click install. It is installing. Now click on active. In a few moments it will be activated. How you will find the plugin? You can find the plugin in two ways. Left side, all install plugins showing. You can find your plugin from here. And second option, you can click the plugin, then click install plugin. After clicking that, you can see the interface of the plugin. You have to check this box, otherwise your plugin can't be active. And after that, you will make sure click on save change. Scroll down, then click on save change. After that, your plugin will be work, otherwise it will not be work. Our plugin is working or not working, we will check it. To check it, we will go to our website front end. It is our website front end. Click on add to cart. It is loading. It is the e-commerce website. That's why its tag system little bit different. If you use a blog site, then it will be easy to use. Blogging site just show the post. Below the post, it will show the tag, all tag. In this e-commerce website, it is little bit different. Here the building address, and it is one kind of billing site. That's why it's little bit different. And now I will show you second part. Part 2, by upload plugin. How to install a plugin by upload. To do this, go to plugin, click on add new. Interface will appear, just wait. It is the main interface. Click the upload plugin. Remember, you have to download it before, then click on choose the file. I downloaded my file in this folder. Just I am selecting my folder, then click open, then click on install. It is installing. You can see now. Click on install. It will be installed. It take a few moments. It's free plugin, and also it have a premium plugin version. I'm using free plugin. From here you should active. Thanks for watching our video. Like us, subscribe.